Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Pisces. We'll be picking few cards for your daily energies, guys, and few cards from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So those cards will relate to your career situation and your relationship, guys. So I'll be picking one card each from that deck. We will open the cards as we proceed, guys. So for your Wisdom Oracle message, guys, regarding your career situation, so these cards will relate to whatever you have in your mind regarding your relationship or your career, guys. So this is for your career and this is for your relationship. We'll open the cards now, Pisces, for your daily energies. Anchor, Stock, Snake, Sun, Mountain. With these cards, Pisces, the energy is that, guys, you were facing certain struggles, obstacles, guys, in your life. This may relate to your work situation or your relationship, and you were struggling a lot, stressing you a lot. Maybe you have so many responsibilities, you feel burdened by it. That is also the energy here. You would have come across people who were trying to trick you, cheat you in some way. So these people would have posed as someone good, maybe, and they would have acted as a friend, but they would have used you to make their to make their ambitions work. So they would have used your work, your time and energy to for their benefit, guys. That is also the energy. And maybe someone is jealous of you, guys. They are simply envying you for what you are, what kind of person you are. You are a very responsible person. You do everything with clear thinking, after clear thinking, and you have a particular way of dealing things, and they are really jealous of it. That is the energy here. And with this card and this card, I feel here that you are overcoming the struggles, whatever that was burdening you till now, guys. So these two cards are a very positive cards here, guys, the Stock and Sun. So you are seeing that new beginning in your life, some kind of new beginning is coming towards you, something great. It is a time of great transformation, changes that are happening in your life. Major changes are happening, improvements, and whatever results that you are supposed to get, you are getting it. And people may be your family or friends, they may be coming with gifts, they may be coming with gifts to visit you. So that is also the energy. This may be your person coming to visit you, gift you, maybe regarding success on some venture in your business or work, something new that may be coming towards you, guys. So that is the energy here, and you are having that strength, courage and confidence in your situation. So you are very optimistic, you are seeing success in whatever you do, and you are also celebrating success. So that is the energy here, guys. Whatever your work, in your work situation or it may be your relationship, maybe you are celebrating your relationship because this person has accepted your proposal, or they have come and proposed to you and you have accepted it. So that is the energy here, guys. So some celebrations, you have overcome all those troubles, all those envy, jealousy and obstacles, whatever you were facing till now. Let us see what is the card for your career situation, guys. What is the oracle's guidance? The fates. Pisces, with this card, the oracle's guidance for you all, guys. Today things may be going in such a way, you may feel that it is fated. So you need to have that acceptance that for things that you cannot change, you need to see that with acceptance, and for the things that you can change, you need to have courage to do those things to change. So, and you have to have that deep clarity and wisdom to see this difference in your situation. So those things you need to change, you can change with your determination and efforts, courage. So those things that you cannot change in your life, you have to be with that acceptance as it is destined, guys. So whatever is that will not change, will never change, guys. So maybe sometimes in your work situation, but with the previous cards we saw all are positive things, guys. So maybe if something negative is coming up in your work situation that is hindering the path to prosperity or abundance, and on that which you do not have any control, you need to accept that situation with gratitude, guys. When you do that, when you accept your situation and have that understanding that you cannot fight the situation, you will have to wait it out, guys, and see where it leads. So when you do that, you will get the clarity in your situation, and things may change for the better. So that is what I see here. So whatever the circumstances are, when you are not able to change it, when you feel powerless in certain situation, you have to have that surrender in your heart to destiny. So when you do that, you will have more acceptance, and you will find peace in any situation. So that is the energy with that card, guys. Let us see what is the oracle card for your relationship, Pisces. To be fair. With this card, Pisces, the oracle's guidance for you all in your relationship is that, guys, in your relationship, if you want that deep positive connection with this person, you have to have that understanding. The same way that person should also have the understanding about you. So whatever you are, you have to have that open communication. Same way you should also allow that person to communicate what they feel, what they think about their feelings, ideas, and what actions that you need to take. So you have to have that open communication, guys. You have to have that understanding, be fair in this relationship. So when you have that mutual trust, respect, caring and understanding in this relationship, and when this person feels heard and valued in this relationship, respected, that is when you will start to develop that positive, meaningful relationship in your life, guys. So you need to work towards that greater understanding, and you should listen to their suggestions the same way they listen to your suggestions. So you need to have that open heart communication in your relationship, that mutual respect and caring should be there in that relationship to make it deepen. So That is the oracle's guidance for you all, guys, regarding your relationship. And that is a reading for you all, Pisces. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Pisces.